Hey guys, this is Tuhin here and welcome to my online tutorial for shading. I'm gonna be sharing some basic shading techniques and show you how the light and shadow work. Firstly, I'm gonna start by creating a circular boundary for our illustration here, and then I'll make another smaller circle showing the position of my light source. And I'm gonna be using very light lines to draw the basic shape first. So basically shading is a tool to show the shadows and the texture of a surface so that there's a sense of depth to a picture. Now as I've assumed the light source on the top left corner, these arrows kind of show the radial direction where my light is going. So basically I'll be shading here from left to right, which is light to dark. So I have these three different areas in my illustration. The first one is the top half, which is going to be the sky. The lower half is going to be the water. And the third one is the boat, which is going to be the subject. So the shading for these different things is going to be from left to right, going from light to dark. So I'm gonna tell you how to choose the direction of the strokes that you're gonna draw. So the general idea behind this is that you give the strokes according to the texture of your space. So for example, for the sky, I'm gonna use long and wavy kind of strokes. So I'm just gonna be drawing these strokes in harmony to each other and not kind of being too random, and keep them kind of curvy to show the clouds. So for the water, I'm gonna try doing wavy kind of to and fro lines to show the waves. While giving the shading, I keep kind of toggling between the lighter and the darker shades, which depends on the pressure that you apply on your pencil. So I'm gonna keep in mind to stay in the circular boundary here. I'm showing here in a separate space how the shading of the water is being done. So it's kind of rhythmic to and fro lines. And now I'm gonna give the final shade of the boat here. I'm changing the direction of the strokes based on the plane of what I'm shading. So based on that, your strokes will go linear or curved or at an angle. For the sails, I'm going to just overlap the shapes with the same strokes as the sky behind. So as you see, if you keep maintained the harmony between your strokes, your picture automatically starts looking good. And for the finishing, you can take a smaller eraser to erase thin lines between the shadows of the water to bring out the waves. Darkening the horizon line and the boundary a bit more. So that's how the finished sketch is going to look. So the picture automatically looks, it has a light source on the left and all the shadows are touching to the right. Hope you guys learned some techniques for basic shading. So like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more of my classes.